Benvenuti! Hello everybody, I am Sarah and welcome back to Italian for Beginners. Learn Italian in 3 minutes, Italiano in 3 minuti. In the last lesson we learned about the numbers 11 to 20. If you remember them, then repeat after me. We will repeat from 1, okay? Uno, due, tre, quattro, cinque, sei, sette, otto, nove, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's learn about other numbers above 20. We form Italian compound numbers above 20 by simply adding each element in successive order. So take the tens and simply add the numbers you learned in the previous lessons. Let's try it out by forming some of these numbers. Okay, for example, take 35. 30 is 30 and 5 is 5. 30 30, 5 5, 35, 35. And next example is take 43. 43. 40 is 40 and 3 is 3. 43. Now example number 3 is 55. 50 is 50 and 5 is 5. Now 55 is 55. And this simple order goes on. Now 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. Now if you want to repeat them, you can pause the video and repeat them. And if you all want, I'll make another video on the numbers like 31 to 40 or 41 to 50. Then comment on this video. I'll make that video too. If you like today's lesson, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. I'll post a lesson every day for 3 minutes or 2 minutes or 10 minutes. Thank you for watching Languages with Sarah. Ciao, a presto!